Hello, Daniel here, and I'm back with another Bukkit tutorial. In this episode, we'll be finishing up our tag minigame, and basically what we'll be adding is rewards, a time limit to the tag game, and a particle effect to the person who's it, because it's just cooler. So we'll start. What I've noticed I haven't done last time is tell the players that tag game has begun, so that's kind of stupid, because how do you know if someone's playing unless they tag you? And that's not actually cool, because you'll get tagged immediately and everybody will be gone. So that's pretty easy to fix. We'll just have a for loop. Oops. Player P players. So we're operating in our begin tag command, and right before I'm typing the for loop, we got the array of every single player that's online on the server. So the for loop will go through every single online player and send them a message that says, well, I'm adding a gold color to make it look cooler. The chat color.gold will make everything after it gold. And the server-wide tag game has begun. And actually, we're going to put this after the thing, after here, after we define the after we've defined the it, so that we can actually tell everyone who's it. So let's just plus it dot get name, it dot get name plus is it. So this will tell everyone who's it, and we'll just send it a message saying that you are it. Alright. So this will tell every player that they are it. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to say that we're going to make a task that will automatically turn off the game, stop a tag game, after, let's just say, a minute. So what's going to happen is bucket dot get server dot get scheduler dot schedule sync delayed task. Alright, so the first argument is the plugin. So the plugin would be this. The second argument is the runnable. That is what's going to happen, which is basically a thread. So runnable, oh, actually new runnable. So we need to make the brackets, and we're gonna open the curly brackets. And runnable will be underlined red. We need to add unimplemented methods and remove this one because we don't need it. So here we just say that it is equal to null. We'll just say that nobody's it, and then we're going to let's place this again. Let's place this after we've actually started, after we've told everyone who's it. Let's place it in the very end. So it's going to go through and send every player a message that tag game is over. So for player P players, so it's going to go through the array again. No, why would we? Alright, apparently that's not going to work, so we don't want it to be final either, that would be stupid. Alright, let's just say bucket.get server.get online players. Seriously? Oh, that's why. Get online players. Dear Minecraft, can you please shut up? Thank you. Alright. This will tell every player that the game is over. Chat color dot gold plus the game is over. Alright, so this will tell every player that the game is over, and if P is not equal to it, so if the player that we're telling this to is not it, then P dot, I'm not sure how to give players items, get inventory dot add item, add item, new item stack, material dot, let's just give them a golden god, actually gold nugget, 1. Let's give them 1 gold nugget. Oh, I thought I imported it. Alright. Need to import item stack. So basically what this does, it gets the player's inventory and it adds an item stack of 1 gold nugget. Yay. Alright. So this will happen, and now this argument is underlined because we need to set how much time it has to delay, because it shouldn't run immediately because that would just turn the game off immediately. So there is 20 Minecraft ticks in a second, so 20 times the number of seconds you want, and we want to last in minutes, so we'll add 60. So to change, we can change this to set the number of seconds we actually want. All right. So that concludes that. We're done with that. So this will turn the game off, and it will give players rewards. And the one last thing that we would want to do is schedule a repeated task. And I'm improvising, so I'm not sure if it's going to work as well as bukkit.getServer.getScheduler. There's schedule sync repeating task. This new runnable. You know what would be nice? It would be nice if you could actually see what the names of arguments that you need. Let's just say, I'm guessing this is how soon it's going to start. Let's just say after a second. And here, just closeness. And here, let's say it's going to happen every 2 seconds. Alright. Because we've scheduled the task that's going to firework. We're going to create a firework effect, which is because we're going to spawn a firework right where it is, and yes, and we're going to detonate it so that everybody knows where the it is, so they can run away from it. So, and to set an effect for a firework, because we want it to be a certain effect, we have to do firework effect f equals firework effect dot builder dot flicker. Is it gonna flicker? No. False. Dot, let's see, with color dot gold. Let's just say green. Make it green. Dot with fade color dot let's just say olive. That'll look beautiful. Dot with, let's see, with trail. That'd be false. That'd be nice. No, I don't think that's how it works, so let's not add that at all. Dot Fade, flicker with trail, notify, notify all, wait. No, that's good. That's good. Let's just do dot build. This will give us a new firework effect, EF. Now I want to create the actual firework. Firework F equals, let's just say, it dot get world dot get dot spawn. It dot get location firework dot class. Alright, let's import firework. So here it is going to, let's see, is going to spawn firework where it is in, yeah, in there, exactly where it is in the world where it is. So f dot, actually ef dot set power, that doesn't work, oh well. F dot add, seriously? Set effect? Set firework effect. No. Interesting. Dot add. It has to be add, and now it's add. Dot, that's interesting. Inject, detonate, max fire, metadata, passenger server ticks, you got vehicle, blah 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 blah. Yeah. That's interesting. Maybe it's firework meta fm equals f dot get meta data dot get firework meta. We probably need to import firework meta, but yep. Okay, fm dot add effect. There we go. So we add effect to the metadata, and then we add the metadata to f dot set firework meta fm. All right, and now we'll be considering if it is not equal to null, because otherwise that might crash it. We don't want it to crash. Alright, let's hide that there. So, what does this return? I don't know. Integer I equals Bukkit, yes? Oh, well, int. Alright, well maybe that's it. Hold on a second. Alright, so int is the ID number of the task that we've just scheduled, and we would want to cancel it when the game is over. So let's integer task ID number equals 0. No, well, just that. Alright, so here, where are we? Yes. So what would you call it? Task ID number? Task ID number is equal to bukkit.getServer.getScheduler, schedule a certain competing task. And then here, when it stops the game, bukkit.getServer.getScheduler.cancel task ID number. This will stop the repetitive task once it's done. Yeah. Well, actually, yeah, that should do it. That should work. Oh yeah, and back here, where it is, let us f.detonate to make the firework explode immediately when it spawns. I'm pretty sure we can try this now. I haven't done this anytime before, so I'm not guaranteeing anything. But we can try, and we'll see what doesn't work, and we'll see if we can fix it. Server up. No, it is not. Alright, let's put it back up. Alrighty, there we go. So I have no idea whether this will. Oh my goodness, would you please? Here, take this. Take that. There we go. Alright, so I'm not sure if it'll actually work, but begin tag. Interesting. Look at that. It's spawning a firework with me. Every so often. Look, it's beautiful. So it won't let other people know, lose me, because I'll constantly be emitting this beautiful color. And actually making a sound as well, so even if you can't see me. It's always this nice little sound. So I'm just waiting 60 seconds for it. Alright. And this is my first experience with task builders, so I'm not sure if they will hasn't it passed yet? Well, apparently not. The game is over. I didn't get anything because I was it, and the fireworks have stopped, so that's nice. But yeah, that's nice. Alright. So this concludes it, probably? Yes, this concludes it. If you have any issues, please tell me. Nope. Alright. Have a good one. See you in the next episode.